Welcome to the Healing Place Energy School. My name is Helen Chin Liu. I am a certified reflexologist, certified energy medicine practitioner, a Reiki master and teacher. And not only do I own the Healing Place Energy School, I also own the Healing Place in Medfield, Mass. And I've also authored 2 books, Know Your Chakras, check it out right here, and Foot Reflexology to promote relaxation. I want to help you to awaken your inner healer with personal growth work, reflexology, energy medicine, and mindfulness. I have given more than 10,000 reflexology sessions since 2006 because I cannot see more clients than I currently do. This is why I created the HealingPlaceEnergySchool.com, is to help more people to awaken their inner healer by creating self-care, self-healing courses that can be taken from home. I have some great news. Because you have asked, I am answering. I am planning to do a live streaming and self-healing courses. Drum roll. Our first live stream will be a 2-part series on how to support your digestive health with energy medicine and foot reflexology. Here is the lineup. I'm so excited. On Tuesday, September 6th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will talk about how your digestive function can become disconnected and what can you do to correct this energy balance. And then the following week on Tuesday, September 13th, again at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will do a live from the Healing Place in Medfield, Mass, step-by-step foot reflexology on relieving IBS symptoms, constipation, gas, bloating, and acid reflux. Just imagine you got healing powers in your thumbs and fingers. Where to see this self-empowering teaching? Only right here at the youtube.com Healing Place Energy School membership site. The membership site isn't live as of yet. Once it is up and live, you can join for $24.99 a month, and you could cancel anytime. On this site only, you'll be able to see in-depth, step-by-step reflexology lessons and chakra balancing. The word reflexology is powerful. Just imagine helping yourself and your loved ones without invasive procedures or taking more medication that could cause more problems. Once you understand how your energy flows, you will recognize energy disruption and be able to correct it. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press on the bell icon for new video updates. Stay tuned for more details. I look forward to helping you to awaken your inner healer. This is Helen Chin Liu from the Healing Place Energy School. Stay tuned, and I am excited to share more information with you. Bye-bye.